Welcome in everyone, this is Dad and Son DIY It All, and we're going to try today to use this AC Pro to test the air conditioning in our truck. It's currently not working, so we're going to see what we're dealing with. So the first step is to pop that hood. You then want to read these instructions carefully because it's a 4-step process. So with the hood popped, you find the connection point, and it is the larger valve on the high side. Start it up. Turn the AC on. We went full blast, kicked it to low, and then we're going to go ahead and get that connector from the AC Pro connected to that valve on the AC line. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more family-friendly DIYs. Little tip from us, be careful when you're turning this out because they can just drop right down, these valve covers. Now the AC Pro has a gauge. That gauge will tell you if you're low on Freon, if you're in the right range, if you're too high on Freon, or if you're in the red, which means that you need service or repair. So we went ahead and got connected, and we're going to see what ours reads. Unfortunately for us in this case, you'll see here it reads in the red, so we got to take this in to get fixed. We have, however, used this to fill up our van, which was a little low, and it helped the AC immensely. But I guess I'm going to be driving this car to work. All kidding aside, check out this RC video on our main channel, Dad and Son Do It All. Take care, all our best.